Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this VIVO. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. Then click on this gear icon over here next to three dots. Tap on text correction and scroll down just a bit. Now you need to click on this sorter next to autocorrection, and as you can see after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!